Hey, fifth grade, welcome back to library. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020, and this will be your last class of the week. We will meet again on Tuesday, so make sure to check back for your next assignment on Tuesday. So I wanted to talk about fake news today. I know that we've talked about fake news a little bit during library time back a few months ago, but I wanted to talk about it again today because I think it's a really important topic, and it's especially important in the world we live in today with all the different stories that are flying around. Some headlines may be true and some may be false. So it's important to be able to understand what's true and what's not. So today, our assignment is a little bit longer than usual, but I know you guys will be able to do a great job. So your first step is to watch the video lesson, which you're doing here. Once you've watched this video, I'd like you to click on this assignment. It's going to make a copy for you, so you'll have your own copy to work on. And there are a lot of different activities to do today. So your first step is to watch this video. When you click on it, it will take you to the video.
Did you know the Prime Minister?
And this is a 2-minute video that just talks about what fake news is. So I'd like you to watch that. Once you've watched that, this is something called Padlet. You may have used it in your other classes, but if you haven't, it's like kind of a virtual bulletin board. So instead of using a sticky note, you can just click on this link. And it says fake news. Share what you learned about the video. Learn from the video about fake news. Be sure to include your name. So if you double click on the sticky note, it will let you type. So you would just type, I learned that, blah, blah, blah. And then please make sure to put your name. You can put your name in parentheses like that next to it, or you can write by your name, whatever you'd like to do. So please try to answer at least one of these questions. It'd be awesome if you could do all three, but that is up to you. So you're watching the video, you're going to the bulletin board. Then I'd like you to learn some new vocab. So this is on your Quizlet. And these are online flashcards that will just give you some new ideas that you might not know. Okay, so you can click on the cards to go back and forth. You can flip it to see the definition. So these will be important words that I'd like for you to practice. Next, there's an article for you to read, and this article is just about a page and a half. Make sure you're reading all the text boxes. There may be important information in there. Make sure you're reading the captions. So that is the article I'd like for you to read. And then I have another quiz I'd like for you to do. And this quiz is called Fact or Fake? Fact versus Fake. And there's some reminders here if you want to review that, and then the quiz is down here. You click Start the Quiz. Finally, after you do that, like I said, there's a lot to do today. This is the last thing I'd like for you to do, and it's just a place for you to type. So if you start typing, it'll let you type in the box. If you click in the box, it says, why is fake news a problem? How can you stop the spread of fake news? Be sure to use at least 2 pieces of evidence from the text or video to support your answer. So here's some words that you might want to use down here that you could use in your answer. And that will be all for today. So I know, like I said, that's a little more involved than normal, but I think it's all good stuff for you guys to practice and learn. So make sure you turn that in on Google whenever you finish. If you finish early, you can choose something from the choice board. Remember, I showed this to you last time. I know some of you tried the escape rooms. There's other cool stuff to check out. And then if you do have a question, you can join Zoom, and the password is library11. I will be on Zoom today. Okay? But please make sure you only join Zoom if you have a question. It's not required. All right, that is all for today. So I will see you guys back in class next Tuesday. And if you have a question, you can email me or come on Zoom during class. All right, talk to you later. Bye.